shit was heavy as fuck. So, you guys are back in my hand through the cam, and we are hopping in the car because I'm about to go to Meriden real quick, like a 25-minute ride. I found a crank for $100. It's good, I believe so. I mean, it looks good, I guess. It was no like playing in and whatnot. You know, hopefully should be good. I'm about to be picking up like the whole casing. My boy, Lauro on IG, he be helping me a lot, so shout out to him. I know you watch the video, so big shout out to you, bro. Always supporting and always helping me out when I need some extra info and shit I don't know as much. Let's go pick this thing up. Hopefully I'll have a different crank to swap in. I used one instead of buying a new one that's $1,200. I really do not want to do that. Picking it up for $100. $100 beats $1,200. Last night I looked up how much a fucking crank was new. I seen it was $1,100 plus, you know, tax. So my heart kind of like sunk to my stomach a little bit. I'm like, God damn. My money shifted and that was a $1,200 cost problem. Like, I mean, I see why it's called money shift. Yeah, exactly. Hence the money shift, man. We just picked up the bottom end, the block, the K24A2 block, the casings, because the axle snapped on the previous owner or whatever, and you know, cracked the casing. But I bought it for the crank, so the crank should be good, and I'll be using that semi-freshly rebuilt or whatever. You know, I had like 95K miles on it. We'll see. All right, so we made it back to the house, guys. This casing's all cracked up, whatever, but yeah, I'm literally just using it for the crank that's inside there. Back the car up over here, and I'm bringing this thing inside because I have nowhere else to really put it either. So yeah, let's get this moving. It's gonna be heavy. You don't have anything.
We're gonna put it on his blanket.
So yeah, guys, shit was a mess. Oil pan's a bit filthy. I'm not gonna be using that shit because it's kind of damaged and whatnot. All right, guys, so this is what was leaking out because that shit's been sitting for a while. I'm gonna toss this shit out. What I needed was this, the whole crank right here. So I'm gonna start disassembling this one right now and maybe, you know, try to pop this out and see if there's anything wrong with it, if I see like marking, scarring or something. So I'm gonna take you to the kitchen right quick. Some bacon in the oven, trying to make ourselves our own little edibles, if you know what I mean, you know. Making some butter. So honestly, guys, I've never disassembled a motor or anything. I've never really even seen like the inside of all this shit, like personally. So yeah, so trying to break this for you guys. I got 2 of them cracked so far. It's kind of a bitch, honestly, because I have no good leverage. Everything's slipping. Got nothing but Rish power. Just going around breaking all these free at the moment. These 12 mils. Really wish I had a power tool. Oh, there's like this little gapping right here, so I'm prying apart right there. So what else I can do? All right, good morning guys. It is like 8 a.m. or so. I wanted to start early, carry on with the vlog from yesterday. You guys seen I picked up that spare bottom end block. Casing's all messed up, whatever, but I wanted the crank bright as hell, and it's already getting really hot, guys. It's supposed to be like low 90s and humid. We have like poor air conditions, you know, because the fire's going on, affecting over here too. I'll talk to you guys soon. Appreciate you guys checking out the channel and supporting. Alright, let's see if I can take this train out. So guys, she was heavy as fuck. My lower back was hurting. Wasn't too pleasant for that either. Whew. Now we got even more room here. Start taking the motor mount stuff off. And clean up the engine bay. Tune in. So I got one bolt left that I'm taking out right now. I got the rear motor mount out. Yeah, I just wanted to take this out real quick, continue with the vlog and give you guys some content. And I'm about to go to Harbor Freight so I could get an engine stand. Leave in the comments, guys, what you guys think I should do with the motor. Like, should I go the K20 head if I could find one? Should I just leave the K24 and like port it out and, you know, just try to get the Type S pump or a different pump and pistons, rods, valves? Let me know, because I'm still like really new to the engine building thing. So if you guys have a little bit more experience or whatever, let me know. Drag cartel, cams, whatever, you know, let me know. Went and bought the engine stand, bought a little mat too to kind of cushion and whatnot. Yeah. Woo, see that magic, guys? Like, it's floating and tracking me now. Woo, look at that. Yeah, so came back, we ate sign because we didn't eat anything. It was like 10 o'clock. Just got done cutting the grass. Now I'm about to take out the engine stand and whatever. So, yeah. Smell me? Little ratchet strap. Ratcheting, tie down, whatever, just you know, another type of strap just to help me out just in case. Roll mat that kind of helps cushioning. Could now like work on the ground and won't be slipping. What's going on, y'all? So today I'm gonna start taking out my rack and pinion because I just placed an order. I just bought it off eBay, the Detroit axle rack and pinion. That's kind of what everyone goes with, like the new one. It was like 240, 250-ish or whatever. I also bought the OEM second gear for the SI trainee because the guy gave me that money for it, so I put that order in. Yeah, actually, so I'm gonna show you guys in there. Bought an engine stand. I got it all set up yesterday. Update was my neighbor's dog situation. A little doggo on the road. Came back later that day. You know, I told him what happened. They seemed kind of a little confused. She still thanked me, but she probably had no idea what the f I was like talked about. Probably they realized afterwards, you know, looking at the camera, seeing their garbage cans on the side and shit. We took a nap. We woke up to cookies on our car. So yeah, and a card. So yeah, they were thankful. Shout out to them, good neighbors.
Always gotta protect the doggos.
Yeah, man, always protect the dogs, guys. Anytime I see like a loose dog or like stray dog running somewhere, I always try to have to help it because I have a dog myself. So put on a deposit for a cord casing. It has like 143,000 miles on it. I guess it was still running good or whatever, but I need the cord casing. $250 doing the whole swap with SI gearing. Still gotta buy LSD. Yeah, $350 on the cord casing. I don't know if anyone's gonna want the Eternals or something. Might sell that. Obviously, I'm gonna try to sell that, but if anyone needs that, let me know. So update. Trying to maybe get a JDM motor. Someone in CT has one for like 63,000 miles or something like that. Yeah, I'm just kind of waiting on his response. Trying to get that going so I can just pop it in and drive the car, do the trainee swap, and you know, have some fun. Everything's out, but I appreciate you guys and the support on the channel. I'm trying to do some exciting things. So this build series hopefully is exciting for you guys, so yeah. Alright, so yeah, we're getting rack and pinion out pretty quickly. Where we left off, I almost have it out. I had to do actually a little bit more than I expected. I forgot I had to go on the inside and disconnect the steering column, drop that out. And I still have the two lines on this side and the two bolts that are holding that, I don't know, the pump itself or something. I don't have a long enough wrench that will kind of give me leverage. I need to go buy that. So I kind of have to call it quits right now until like tomorrow. Drop a like on this video, guys. Ordering new parts. Trying to get this build going, man. I'm trying to figure out this engine thing and I'm just waiting on responses. It's all about people, time, and money. So with that being said, hope you guys liked the video. Drop a thumbs up. Let me show you guys my little workspace inside the living room and, you know, engine stand and whatnot. Engine stand going, trainee, the spare block with the crank that I still need to get the socket for, all the other stuff, tools. I appreciate you guys checking out the channel. Let me know in the comments your suggestions, what kind of videos you want to see. Stripping down my motor and trying to do a rebuild. I'm picking up that Acura casing, so I will be stripping down the trainee, obviously recording that process. We Rish, and I'm out.